Are you like me who like to try out new recipes and experiment with cooking? The other day I tried making meatballs, and this is what I was able to make. So these are my ingredients: coriander, mincemeat, eggs, chili, some spices, and salt. It's a simple, quick recipe, and I thought I should share it with you guys. So I have my spices here that I'll be working with. My mincemeat, that's a half a kg. I have 2 eggs that I've already prepared, and coriander. So I am just gonna put everything together. I'm going to mix everything together in this bowl. I have the mincemeat, I have my garam masala, I have my cloves mixed with the ginger, then I have my cardamom. Added salt, just a little bit to taste, not too much. Then I have my beef masala. Then I have my freshly cut coriander. Added my eggs, and then I will just mix everything together. Oh, I've added my chili. So I have chili. I love chili, and I am going to mix everything together until they are well mixed. Everything is well mixed. It looks good, and I'm gonna roll them into small meatballs. But before I do that, I'm gonna apply some cooking oil on my hands so that it doesn't stick on my hands. You can do this or you can skip it, but I find it easier for me to just apply the cooking oil on my hands. Then it becomes really easier to roll them without them sticking on my hands. So this process continues until I have rolled all the meat I have on my bowl. It's very quick and fast, and I really love how they were coming out. The size of the balls depend on your preference. For me, I like them not too small but also not too big, just the medium size. So you can choose which size works for you, but as for me, I like something medium size that I can eat 3 or 4 and I'm full. And we are done. They actually came out nice, and there are many. I didn't think they were going to be this many. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge for like 30 minutes so that they cool down. While that goes on, I'll be preparing my paste. Some people normally shallow fry the meatballs first before they prepare paste, but I chose to skip that process because I didn't want to use a lot of oil. Also because I want it to be slightly pasty because of what I'm gonna eat it with. So I just chose to skip the shallow frying part. If you like shallow frying, or if you prefer that, you can shallow fry them after bringing them out of the fridge. Then you can prepare paste to add them into. But for me, I am not gonna shallow fry them. So this is how I prepare my paste. I've added my onions, my tomatoes, and my garlic, and I'll cook this slowly on a slow heat. Then I'll add my zucchinis. I love zucchinis and I love them in my paste. I'll add some carrots as well. I think it's a great way to have a bit of vegetables in your stew or even paste in this case without having real vegetables. Then just a little bit of salt to taste because we already have added salt in our meatballs. Then just a little bit of water. I'll let that cook for a minute. Then I will add my cumin seeds, black pepper, and cardamom. Then I will add, I forgot the name of that. I add my bay leaves and let it cook for a few minutes. It's time to bring my meatballs out. I left them in the fridge for 30 minutes. They look nice and firm as they should. This helps them not to break when you add them into your paste or you shallow fry them. And so for me, since I'm adding them directly into the paste, I will cook them for a few minutes, then they will be ready to eat. Finally, I added my green pepper and red pepper. Cook it again for 2 or 3 minutes. Then it's ready to be served. You can have this with either rice, with chapati, with spaghetti, whatever you want. So that's how I made my meatballs for the first time. Of course, I added coriander, and this is how you make your meatballs. Let me know what you think. Was this helpful? Is it something you can try or not? And they are well cooked, as you can see, inside and outside. Is this something you can try? Let me know in the comment section. Give me your thoughts, your opinion, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.